In today's video, I'm showing you how to make this DIY Valentine's Day card with these beautiful flower doodles. Hi friend, I'm Myra with Vial Designs and we're gonna get started right away. To make it super easy for you to make this card, I created a traceable printable that you can get from my membership at patreon.com/Vial Designs. Now I know in here it looks a little bit lighter. I went ahead and increased the opacity so when you print it, it's gonna look a little bit better. I recommend that you print it in cardstock so your card is sturdy. The printable has the lines that you can cut to size. I'm using my Archer and Olive paper cutter, but you can also use scissors. This card, the final measure is 7 inches by 5 folded, which roughly is the same as 18 by 12.5 centimeters, in case you're wondering. Moving on, I'm going to be using my calligraph brush pens. This one is the green earth color, and don't worry, I'm going to add links to everything that I'm using down in the description in case you're wondering. If you get anything from Archer and Olive, remember you can use my code VD10 and save 10% of your purchase. For the flower, I'm using the Winterberry calligraph. And for the next flower doodle, I'm using the deep blush calligraph for the center and the purple eclipse for the petals. In case you want to use the exact same colors that I'm using in the card, I'm giving you the reference, but as always, you can use whatever markers you have at home to create these beautiful flower doodles around the card. Once we're done adding all the beautiful flower doodles around the card, it's time to do the message. And for this, I'm using the same Winterberry calligraph pen, but I'm going to use the fine side of the pen to do the calligraphy. And so we're writing "You are loved," and I'm going to do this in real time so you know exactly how slow you should be going when you're doing your message. Now, what I decided to do to make the message stand out a little bit more, I'm thickening the downstroke, so I'm adding another line only on the downstroke, so every time a pen goes down. This is what we have so far. What do you think? I really love how it's turning out to be. I love how the colors are coming together and you can totally leave it like this. But you know, I always like to add a little extra and add some more details to the card. So for that, I'm using the Gravy Glitter Gel Pens. That's like a tongue twister. But I'm going to be using this purple and the silver to add extra details. I know this purple looks a little bit dark, but I went ahead and did swatches just to make sure that that was the right choice, and it is. I think it complements the colors that we have. I wish you could see it in person. The purple kind of like changes in color. It has to like two different hues once you do the doodles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing hearts and stars all around the flowers. Now, one thing that you want to keep in mind is that these glitter gel pens do take a long time to dry. So as you are doing the little hearts or the extra details around the card, make sure that you don't touch it, because then you're gonna smudge all the glitter. It's happened to me so many times, and I already love how these hearts with this purple look in the card. Now let's go ahead and add some stars with the silver pen. I know it's a little hard to see here in the video, but I promise they're there and they look super cute. As far as the star doodles, I usually like to do a combination of crosses and also like these little crosses, but with the center, with the empty center, like you see here. And so I'm just gonna do those around the card. At the last minute, I also decided to grab the golden one and add like a different type of star. And this is the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think the gold stars was the little bit of pop that this card needed. And now all that's left is for you to write a message inside and give it to a loved one. Before you go, let me show you the printable options that you have in case you want to make a different card. All right, so inside the membership, you are going to get these printables. The first one is this one, which you saw at the beginning with the traceable card. You also get the actual printable like this in case you want to make it even easier. Only thing you will have to do is to color. And I also decided to switch up the message a little bit. So if you want to have a different message, I made this one as well with you've got a heart of gold. So same one, you have the option of just printing, coloring the card, fold it, and it is ready to go. Or if you want to have a little bit more creative time, then you can print the traceable one and then you can color and go over the lettering part as well. I hope that you like this video and then it helps you with any last minute DIY cards that you want to make. As I was doing this, I also thought that this would be perfect for you to add maybe as a quote page in your bullet journal or in your planner. It will be perfect for that, or just have a little bit of a coloring creative session. However you want to use it, I hope that it brings you joy and calm as you are making it. If you recreate it, post it on Instagram, be sure to tag me at Vial Designs. I would love to see your work. I will see you in the next video tutorial. Stay creative, my friend.